I wanted to create something that represented a version of Wales that I recognised, something that had Welsh wisdom, and it's a character-driven story. It's the kind of story that throughout the play you're nudging the person next to you and kind of whispering like, that's Uncle Trev, or, you know, that's Hetty next door. We meet Hugh, who is a farmer. He's quite uptight, and he is about to deliver a very important speech. And basically the bus that is taking Hugh and the local farmers to the Senedd breaks down, and you're kind of watching Hugh deal with this situation that gradually just keeps getting worse and worse.
90% of Welsh land is agricultural, and the working area of land during pylon construction, that land could potentially be out of use for up to 2 years for farmers.
15 minutes isn't a lot of time, and in 15 minutes you have to show, okay, who are these characters? Why is this story important? Why does it matter? Like, why should we sit here and watch this play? So every sentence has to work. I had to do a lot of editing.
Yeah, if we lay finished, we'd all be sleeping by now.
So obviously it covers a very sort of serious issue that affects the community and the town. And I think it would be easy to write something from a place of fear, negativity, anger, because I was feeling anger. But what I did was I sort of channeled those feelings, and I feel like I've created something positive.
Idiot, who's only good for two things, laying bricks and going out on the piss, is telling me how to write a speech. Oh, classic.
Come on now, don't be nasty.
Rather than them feeling drained when they stepped off the bus, I wanted them to feel uplifted, you know?
So, you think because I haven't got a face like a slapped ass and trousers that are far too tight?
They are tight trousers, mind. You can see what he had for breakfast.
Oh, what? You think because I don't own 100 acres of land, I haven't got no right to say what happens in my town? A town I've lived in all my life.
I wrote it with the locals in mind, but I also imagined a local and a non-local sat side by side, and they're both, both people are laughing at the same line. And that was really challenging, but I loved it. Like, trying to find sort of humour that could appeal to a local and a non-local.
Kev! Who you are? Get on the bus, man!
Such a